Nearly 2.5 million Americans are injured or disabled from a car accident every year. As for the fatality rate, you don't even want to know. It's common to select cheap car insurance because we need the coverage but don't want to spend a whole lot. We feel impervious to accidents, so we complain if our premiums are too high until an accident happens. Today, we'd like to help you decide if those plans are worth it. Cheap insurance risks. Not all cheap car insurance covers liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. It's liability and collision most people pick up. It covers the legally required basics and comes at a low monthly rate. What if the accident is worse than you thought? These are the problems with cheap insurance. The uninsured. For example, the uninsured. Those foregoing car insurance are likely in dire financial situations. Do you think they'll be able to pay your medical bills if they're at fault? Don't chance it. Garnishments. Then there's garnishments. The state minimum is a guideline. What happens if the accident goes beyond the minimum? It's coming out of your pockets. Don't have it available? Courts can place a garnishment on your earnings. The value of your vehicle. The value of your vehicle is another issue. A cheap car that takes on some damage isn't the end of the world. Yet, what if you were to damage a luxury car? Not good. And if the driver was injured? Even worse. Keep the liability insurance. Consider comprehensive coverage. Don't worry about the car. Worry about whether you can cover any damages and medical bills the other driver occupants need. Legacy companies. Last, there's the legacy companies. Some companies pop up and offer cheap insurance. How long will they last? Legacy companies like Geico, Allstate, and Progressive have years of experience and capital. Reducing the costs. Say you made the decision to avoid cheap car insurance. You want to ensure you're covered, but the bills are still high. There are ways to reduce the cost of insurance as a whole. Defensive driving course. For instance, an afternoon course in defensive driving and general knowledge of the road costs between $50 and $300, depending on the state. Completion of the course rewards you with a certificate which reduces insurance up to 10%. Avoid accidents. Then, do your best to avoid accidents, and many car insurance providers will reduce the premiums. It's simple. Don't speed, drive reckless, under the influence, and other situations which could put you at fault. Low-value vehicles. Last, choose low-value vehicles. That hot, flashy luxury car will have a higher premium. Same if it's a powerful vehicle. Insurance companies want to avoid instances of theft or reckless driving. Low-risk vehicles like minivans and older sedans will come with a lower rate. It's on you, but insurance is required either way. Every state requires a different level of insurance coverage. It also depends on your budget. A few extra bucks each month can make the world of difference in coverage. If you'd like to learn more about insurance, come on over and visit our site today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.